Yes, so hello everyone, good evening, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we see for internet or name your concern, me also talk. Put mouth for inside the matter. Yes. So now about Zubi and this Odumeze, the lion himself. Now about two of them. No be say the man come outside and come dey talk oh, na church member na they attack Zubi. Say Zubi not appreciate. Say if not be the lion, so Zubi for not become who he become today. You see also because me see one get video where you're the attack Zubi, you need to come outside. You need to come and apologize to their pastor because the pastor help you. Now the pastor pray for you when you become success in life. You need to come out when you say pastor na your friend. Bra 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 bra. If not so, all the old member they go attack Zubi. They go make a video on Zubi here. Zubi still need to come outside. Make come talk calm because na internet na Zubi for talk and say the lion na a friend, the lion na this. Me not see wetin wrong for them. Wetin Zubi talk. Me not see wetin bad for inside Zubi. Wetin Zubi talk. Fine. If na your pastor, na so it be Zubi friend. Na your pastor, na Zubi friend. So Zubi say they no back. You know me say, you not talk about the man bad. He say na a friend. Say he no even be, he no dey go church. He not be member, he not dey go church, he not be any church member. You see, also he believe on traditional thing more than the church way. You see, also so now I no reach when they say maybe we can't apologize. Fine, they say come bring another video come out, put all the video now. They can't see bring another video come out where Zubi go to church, they appreciate the man. Fine. Your friend be pastor, you go in church, you pray for you. You can't get that success. You can't better for life. You need to still go there, go to and say, thank you. See, God use you, bless me. You know, if as he pray for Zubi not go hustle a life. He pray for us, Zubi sit down for us. Maybe by now, say the pastor Zubi not go talk to her. He not go even near her. Say, God they use person to they bless person. You know, they come down for heaven to bless you. If he bless you, you appreciate. Fine. For waiting me see for this, Zubi go there, you appreciate the man. He appreciates. He no kill him for a good. Me no know the one where be say the member all they cry, they go, they talk. All of them they talk say Zubi can't apologize. Zubi must apologize. Zubi must apologize. Me no see wetin wrong for them. Zubi no, he no cause the man. He no say no know the man. He still tell now say he know the man, a friend. Okay, if you be pastor now, maybe God want use you bless your friend. You want say no, you know what bless her, make the suffer they go because say na your friend. You don't want to see progress. The pastor do one fine, and Zubi too still go there. You appreciate her fine. Now so life till they go. Simple word now we all day so we need to they just see the think we will think small. No be say we all the think one straight side. You need to still look the other side, still look the other side round. You see, so as Zubi also talk and me I like what Zubi talk. So I won't leave the video. Now I'll add that Zubi on so that I'm gonna watch her. Say Zubi even still appreciate the man. He appreciate the man. He still go to church. He appreciate him. He kneel down, they praise the man. Even the man tears they fall for his eye. No day when Zubi say maybe una can say if as una dey talk and say if not be the lion, if not be the man, Zubi for not become we become for life. Now Zubi, now the man hair Zubi. Why Zubi go talk like that? Pastor na person friend, president na person friend. You see also? Now be the thing now wetin I can talk about be that now be the day now wetin I can talk about today now be that too guys. If you never subscribe to my YouTube channel, subscribe to my YouTube channel and bell below so that whenever I upload the video, you will be notified. Thank you. I really appreciate you all for subscribing to my channel. Thank you all. And leave comment by the comment section below and also give it a thumbs up. Say thanks, bye, stay safe.